Hi guys, welcome back to the garden center and to the channel. Just a quick one guys, just to show you here, and you may have seen it on another channel, but they do have these Ramos Volcano, which you may have seen the one that I've purchased guys, which is the 85 pound one. These ones here guys are just £17.50 here at B&M. One thing guys, you know, and this was pointed out in the other video as well, you can see they're really not secure in the pot at all, which is a bit of a shame because it looks like these are probably freshly potted. You know, even that one, it's not great. You know, it's a bit of a shame. I think it's worth taking a look at these though. And of course guys, you've also got the Washingtonia Robustas here for £17.50. Again, not really cold hardy in the UK. I mean, if you're going to use it as bedding plant perhaps, or protect it over winter. They also have these smaller 5-litre Trachycarpus ones, reasonable sized trunk, but again guys, a lot of the root wobble in those, so I'd always check these before you you know, before you purchase. Is one thing to bear in mind guys. It just shows that the roots aren't as stabilized as they should have if they were grown in the pot for a long time, so I'm guessing these are all kind of recently potted on here. Good size Trachycarpus palms as well guys. You've also got the Cordyline Indivisa as well as the Yucca Puck. So we're back to the garden here now, and I guess one thing to say guys, you know, with B&M, certainly one of the, you know, stores that I think is introducing a lot of people to tropicals, which is always great to see. But with that said, you know, would I personally buy those palms that we had a look at just a minute ago? Probably not, with the roots being as such. You know, it is always good guys, you know, when you are going in to take a look at palms and things, always kind of, you know, check the health of the plant. You know, I would say that, you know, it is very important to do that even with your kind of discount palms as well. But of course, guys, I want to say a huge thank you. We've just reached the 1,000 subs mark, so I can't thank you guys enough for all your input, likes and subscribes. Of course, all the comments we get, guys, are fantastic. I am going to be putting out a 1,000 subs special, so keep an eye out for that. I think we're going to do kind of a grand garden tour and, you know, a few of the other ideas and things as well, so certainly keep an eye out for that guys. A few changes on that side, and just to show you here, we have added a few more of the cacti into this raised bed here. Again, I think what we're going to be doing is kind of an arid desert style bed. I'm going to fill this area with a lot more of the Opuntia cactus, which will hopefully stay in the ground. Unfortunately, I think these guys are just down to 3 degrees C, so I probably will bring these in as house plants, you know, when it does come time for winter. Of course, this is going to get a massive shelter built all over it, so in some ways guys, we're just going to kind of give it a go. Surprisingly guys, and you can just see, I want to get too close to them, put my hand near it, these cactuses were just £4 at my local garden center. So for that sort of price guys, you know, I'm quite happy to give it a try. These little ones here, these are just £1. So again, you know, these may not be the hardiest cactuses, but again guys, you know, it's always fun to kind of zone push and you know, see where we can get to on certain plants. If you have any suggestions guys, I know I'm looking at a lot of the Opuntias for back here, possibly some agave, but again guys, I think the idea is to have sort of the arid bed back here, and as you come back along this way to the garden and you get back over there into the jungle path, you know, you're going to get a lot of different variants and style of plants and kind of what we can plant, and you know, the kind of leaf shapes and everything like that. But with that said guys, yeah, of course, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, certainly make sure you do go over and subscribe, show some love as well. Let's get them all up to over 1,000 subs mark. And of course guys, if you're not subbed to the channel, join our amazing community. And of course, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.